It has honestly been a very long minute since I've sat down to film for YouTube, and I apologize. Somebody take your time and your work. Focus on yourself first. But it is officially BoxyCharm time. I am an ambassador for BoxyCharm. They send me this box for free, but they do not pay me to do these videos. So let's just jump into it. The theme is so fresh and so clean. So first up is the Elemis Rehydrating Ginseng Toner. This retails for $37. I have not opened this yet because I don't want to open too much new skincare because I actually have a lot open right now that I need to get through. But I will definitely be trying this out because I do love Elemis. I've loved the few items I have, so I have high hopes for this one. There's a palette in the box. This is from Wander Beauty. This is the Sweet Escape, and it retails for $42. So I will be doing an eye look with this one, but let's see what the other products are. We have a Persona Cosmetics E-Balm Tinted Lip Balm. This is in the shade Manifest, and it's just a pretty red toned lip balm. So that is the shade. It just looks like a very pretty lip balm, and I feel like it's going to feel really nice on the lips. It blends out pretty sheer, so I'm happy with that. And that retails for $22, if I didn't say that already. The last two items, I actually never heard of them before, but this first item is from Lovecraft Beauty. It's the Plasma Gloss in the shade Quasar Goo, and it looks like this. It is a new launch from the brand. It's $18. It says it's an all-over iridescent bronze gold gloss that you can use on the eyes, cheeks, and lips. Personally, I think this would be too dark on me for my cheeks, so I'm going to try it on the eyes. And the last item is the Farrah Liquid Liner, which is also a new launch for the brand, and this retails for $20. And I tested this on the back of my hand, and it is super black, has a very nice fine point, so I'm excited to give that a try. So somewhere on the screen I'm going to put the total of how much this box is worth, and I'm going to zoom you in so we can get started on the eyes. So I think the purples in here are really pretty, but I think I want to try to use as many shades as I can. I'm not going to do any additional primer on my eyes. I just have concealer and a little powder down, and I'm just going to go with that. It's been a while since I've done this, obviously, so I don't know if this is too close. We'll deal with it. I'm going to start with this shade in the Clouds. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to put this in my crease. It's a very pigmented purple. It's very pretty. Not a ton of fallout, but there was quite a bit of kickback. So I'm just going to build up this purple until I get it how I like it, and then I'm going to dip into another shade. So I am liking how that's blending. It's blending out pretty well. It's a nice wash of color. So now I'm going to go into the shade Day Trip, this more brownie shade, and a little longer pencil brush type, and I'm going to pick up a little bit of that, and I'm going to put that in, starting in the outer corner, doing like the outer V. The shade isn't as deep as I thought it was going to be. It kind of fades out into a much more muted tone, which isn't bad, but I would have preferred for it to be a slightly bit darker. Same brush, I'm going to just sweep this under my lower lash line on the outer, like, third half of it, and just go in with like a C shape. Go in with just a clean blending brush and diffuse these edges so they're not as harsh. Going back in within the Clouds and just re-intensifying some of that purple. I don't want this to turn muddy, so I'm just trying to be very careful with it. I'm going to go into this shade here called Window Seat. I just have a brush sort of like that, and I'm going to use this right in like the second third of my lid. I'm also going to take this a little bit underneath. The shade is pretty cool tone, so I'm going to just use that to tie in the purple underneath. I'm going to take the shade First Class, and I'm going to use that on my brow bone, and I think I'm going to put that on my inner corner. I just have a small like flat brush to do that. It's a very pretty shade. I like the shine to it. It's a little more gold than I prefer, but it's a light gold, so it's not horrible. Now I'm going to go in with the NYX Glitter Glue, and I'm just going to put this on my lid, and I'm going to then decide which of these shimmers I want to put on my lid. So I think I'm going to combine this one, and this one. I'm going to start with Sweet Dreams, which is that lighter shade. I'm just going to use the same brush, and it's pulling, like it has a shift to it. Very pretty. I'm going to put this on the beginning part of my lid. Like when you like do it in a pan, it's pulling very pink, which I don't hate. I just wish it kept more of that purple, which you only get in like a shift. Now I'm going to go into Frequent Flyer, which is the deeper purple. I'm just going to go back and forth between those two shades to really meld them together. I'm not mad at it, but it does pull much darker than it did in the pan. Now with my finger, I'm just going to take the shade On Holiday and I'm going to pop that kind of in the middle. And again, this one has like a shift to it too, so it has like a pink base to it. That looks much better. That looks really pretty topped over that purple. I do have quite a lot of fallout, so I'm going to clean that up and then we'll finish the eyes. Now I'm just taking the shade Out of the Office and I'm just going to run that on my lower lash line. That's actually the deepness that I would have liked on my lid. So I'm going to take now a little brush like this. It's not a matte by any means, but I just want a little bit more deepness just on the edge, just to tie those glitters together. I'm just going to take Sweet Dreams and I'm going to put that in my eye apparently. I'm going to run that on my lower lash line. Yeah, I said I was going to use this, but I don't know. It doesn't really go with this look. So this is a no for me, at least for this look. So let's try out this eyeliner. I'm just trying to get something spooky out to for you. I'm just trying to get something. I'm just trying to get something spooky out to for you. I'm just... Okay, so here's how I feel about the eyeliner. It's not bad. I like the NYX Epic Ink one a lot better, and the Anastasia liquid liner is my like holy grail, but it's not bad. I don't know if I would pay $20+ for this, but it's not bad, but it's not the greatest. It's pretty black. It didn't really tug, but I feel like there's no, like, you shake it and like you feel like you're doing something. I don't feel like I'm doing anything when I shake it, so it is what it is. So I'm going to throw on some lashes and something in my waterline, and I will be right back to finish out this video with lips. You know, now that the lashes and everything are on, I don't know if this is going to go with this look, but like I said, this is the Persona Manifest lip balm. Hear that? It clicks. I'm just going to put a little bit on. And it has a scent that reminds me of the lipsticks that my grandma used to wear. Okay, I think leaving it like that, that's fine. If I try to build it up anymore, I don't think it's going to go with this look, but here's the completed look. So I think overall I would give this box like a 7 out of 10 because while I do enjoy most of the products, the eyeliner's not my favorite. The lip balm is just okay. I'm not sure if it's a color that I would gravitate towards, you know, all the time for a tinted lip balm. Usually I go for something a lot more natural, but this is cute. I can appreciate that. And the palette, I would give like a 7.5 out of 10 if we're just judging the palette. It's not bad. I just wish that there was more depth to it. And for the two items, I didn't try the LMS and the gloss thing, whatever it's called. I will try that out at a later date and keep you guys updated in a future video if and when I do decide to try it. If you're interested in signing up for BoxyCharm, my link will be in the description below. I do believe it's an affiliate link, so if you sign up for it using that link, I do believe I get a credit. But, you know, take that as you will. You don't have to use it. You don't have to sign up. Yada yada. And thank you to BoxyCharm for sending over the boxes every month. I am super appreciative of it, and I still can't believe that I am partnered with BoxyCharm. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Don't forget to subscribe. I promise more videos will be coming out eventually. Thank you to those who have been sticking around. I do appreciate you, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.